Right, I am back with another recipe. All the recent ones we've done, or that I've done, have been quite savoury, so I thought I'd do something that's a bit of a treat. So I'm going to make a chocolate mousse. So you need 2 bowls. Alright, we'll see why in a second. Then ingredients, all you need: caster sugar, there's not much left in there, bit of natural yoghurt, 2 egg whites, and some dark chocolate. Okay, you need 75 grams of that, 4 tablespoons of that, 2 teaspoons of that, and then just the 2 egg whites. In terms of the dark chocolate, you can use whatever you want. That's just the one that was available, so that's the one I went for. You need a spoon and a whisk, and that's about it. And a bit of fruit actually to go with your mousse. Right, anyway, I've babbled on enough, let's get cracking. Your 75 gram of chocolate, now all we need to do is melt that. So I'm just gonna pop it in the microwave, okay? Just because it's easier. You can do it over like a boiling pan of water, but I can't be bothered getting the pan out, to be honest. In that goes. I don't need a minute. Just put it in for like 15 seconds at a time. Take it out, give it a stir around. If it's not done, put it back in. Just be careful you don't put it in for too long, because it'll be ruined. Alright? Right. That's the chocolate melted. Can you see that? Yeah. Nice and melted. Just going to leave that just to cool while I crack on with the meringue. So, you need your eggs, and you only need the egg white from them. So just crack them, catch the egg yolk in the shell. You really don't want it to split. Come on, off we come. Right, just pop that to one side. Do the other one. No, I buggered that one up, so I'm just going to put that one into my hand. There we go. That's that one sorted. Right, should get rid of these. I need a whisk. Just start whisking. I'm going to make you watch me whisk all of it. That would be awful. But you just want to whisk it until it turns into like stiff peaks. You'll know because it goes white, and when you pull the whisk out, like the peaks stay in it. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to get there a little bit. If you're after a good 4-hour workout, this one burns, just you know. Wish I got electric whisk out now. You can tell it's done when it leaves peaks like that. Okay, pull it out, peak, peak, peak. Okay, it's going to put in a few teaspoons of the caster sugar, whisk it back up so it's like that. You're going to add the yoghurt into the chocolate mixture, hopefully that'll be a bit cooler, and then just mix it all together. Let's crack on. Right then, caster sugar, 2 teaspoons, that's 1, that's 2. And then we have to whisk that back in. Right, so chocolate's cooled, yoghurt, a bit of a mix actually, there's meringues there, oh, meringue mixture, 1, 2, 3, 4. all this up. And that's your yoghurt and that chocolate. So then it's just a matter of folding that in to there. I grab a spatula for that and I'll show you me doing it. That don't look the most appealing anymore, but it'll be fine. Need to fold it in and try and keep as much air in there as possible, because that's going to give you a lighter mousse. Right, so spoon, egg white into there. All you're going to do, gently fold it in bit by bit. I'm using your spatula. Okay, as possible. Put a bit more in this time. In fact, put all of it in. Like that. Bit of cellophane over the top, cling film, whatever you want to call it. Bang it in the fridge, 10 minutes and that'll be ready. Right, that's the finished one with a little bit of raspberries and blueberries on top. It's been in the fridge for about, I don't know, half an hour. That recipe, there's obviously more in there than what you normally would get. That recipe would probably do 3 or 4 servings, but that's the finished one. So I'll leave you with that one, guys. I am gonna go and polish that off. See you later.
Okay, so there you have it. Phil's little sweet treat there. So a bit different to what he's normally been doing, because up to now we've had the vegetarian breakfast, the fabulous cod and chorizo stew, then the paella, and it's mainly been savoury from him. So apart from me doing my protein pancakes, it's the first sweet thing we've had on there, so it looks really nice, this chocolate mousse. So I hope you're all going to have a go. So next video from me, as I mentioned probably previously, was going to be a hamstring training one. So when I set about planning for it, I was thinking I might struggle to do a whole programme for hamstrings, but as it stands, I had loads of stuff there. So that'll be coming the next day or so. I look forward to that. And as always, like and subscribe. We're like a broken record, say it every time, but we're really slowly but surely getting up there with our subscribers. So keep sharing. And if you do maybe do one of our videos or do a recipe or do one of the workouts, if you could share it on Facebook and just comment and say what you thought, that'd really help. You might get just one other person watching it and maybe they'll come on and subscribe. So it does work. If you just keep sharing it, that'd be brilliant for us and we'd really appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.